Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Halal and Delicious, and today we'll be making semolina cake. In Arabic, it's called harissa. For our semolina cake, we'll be using 2.5 cups of semolina flour, 2 cups of yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of milk, 1 melted stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. First, we'll be mixing the sugar and butter together. Then we add the yogurt. And we add semolina flour little by little. Now we put the baking powder. Now we add the milk. Now it's ready. We have a 9-inch round pan and we coated it with butter and we dusted it with flour and we're going to pour it in. And wobble it around. Now we're going to decorate it with almonds. Now it's ready to go. We're going to put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. For our syrup, we have 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of boiled water, 5 drops of lemon juice. We're going to put it in the stove, medium flame for 40 minutes and take out our semolina cake and put the syrup on it. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and like to Halal and Delicious.